Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Me at Comics here. I'm M.
I'm E.
And we have an unboxing for you guys.
Mm-hmm.
It's been a minute, been a little bit. We've been working and just crazy. We're going on vacation next week though.
Mm-hmm. But we're bringing you guys with us.
Yes. We will have something to open on vacation because we don't want to leave you guys hanging too long. So, but we got something to tide you over. Brand new box for the channel. All right, this is from comictraders.ca. So it's actually a Canadian company.
Woo-woo.
We didn't have to pay shipping on this one because it was so close to us. It's actually in Alberta. So,
oh, nice.
Yeah, so it's on sale. So originally, $400. We got on sale for $130.
You know I love a good deal.
Right, so not too bad. So this will have one 9.8 CGC slab, 5 trade dress exclusive variants, and then 5 virgin cover exclusive variants. So the total is supposed to be worth over $400 even with on sale. So we'll see. We don't know. So we're expecting some pretty dope covers here though. So nicely packaged.
Oh wow!
Very nicely packaged. You guys see how
it fits so perfectly. It's so
yeah,
satisfying.
it's like very perfect. Okay, we won't look at the slab.
And minimal packing peanuts.
Yeah, which is always nice. Which one's which here? I don't know. Open. We'll try to open maybe the trades first. I'm thinking, because the virgins are kind of
sassy
and more desirable, I would say, in most cases. Let's just see. These are the virgins. Okay. Just slightly wrong. These are the virgins.
These are the ones we want.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Yes. So, eyes. Okay. We're just gonna send it. First one up. What do we have? Oh. So this is actually a virgin. So they might be mixed. So there we go. That is a Delato cover. I don't know. That's Carnage. That is gorgeous though. Like, let's just see what it is. Like in my head. Carnage Forever #1. It's like the Unknown Comics variant. That is gorgeous. Terrifying, but gorgeous.
Reminds me of Stranger Things.
Oh yeah, it kind of does. Yeah,
I've never seen it. But
the Demigorgon type of thing. Okay, I like that. All right. Next up, we have. Oh, that is pretty cool. Looks like Gwen Stacy as Wolverine, maybe. Yeah, let's have a look. See what that is. Another virgin. So maybe we were wrong, guys. Maybe
just
these are the virgins.
Spider-Gwen, Gwenverse. Is that
Gwenverse? Yeah.
Number 3 variant edition.
Gwenverse #3. Okay, there we go. That is gorgeous too. I don't know who did the cover for that. Does it say?
Land.
Oh, Greg Land. Be a Greg Land cutter. Next up, we have.
Oh, sick.
Oh man, that is gorgeous. I don't even know what is it. Strange Academy, maybe? A Strange Academy, guys. We have to look at all these just to be sure here, but Strange Academy #1.
Wow.
Whoa. I think that's a pretty desirable book just regularly. I don't know if this is a second print maybe or a different print, but Strange Academy #1 variant. Looks like a Ramos. Yeah, I think it's a Ramos cover. A lot going on.
Yeah.
Very busy.
We love a good collage.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay, so next one. This is you. Oh, sideways. It's sideways. Oh, that is awesome. Thor. And I think that's or Lady Sif maybe on the side with him. Sorry. Oh, that is gorgeous. What book is that?
Okay, Thor, number 14, variant edition.
Oh, okay, that might be my favorite so far. Like, that is such a great cover. That's a Anacleto. J. Anacleto cover.
Wow. That's cool.
Oh yeah, that is okay. I'm liking what we're seeing here. Next up. Oh, there we go. Silk number 1 variant cover. Oh yeah, that is. So we got Silk, Miles Morales, Black Cat, and then Spider-Gwen on the cover there. That's a gorgeous cover. Look at that.
Wow.
It's kind of like a futuristic style. Feels like that's Silk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got some big old fun bags.
Whoa.
Whoa. Crazy. They're just dressed so professionally.
Yes, ready to take on the bad guys. Next up. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Moon Knight number 1. Oh, that is a beautiful cover. Look at that thing. Trade dress. Okay. Very nice. Like that. Last book in this stack, so they're obviously mixed up.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. So it looks like magic on the cover. It's a David Nakayama cover. One of my favorite artists right now is definitely David Nakayama, especially his color bleeds. So
this is New Mutants, number 19.
Oh, okay. New Mutants number 19. Virgin variant, David Nakayama. Magic on the cover. Very nice.
Cool.
Okay, that's pretty gorgeous. And the next stack, if I can get it out of the stuff here. Alright, next up.
Oh.
Whoa.
That's beautiful.
Oh, yeah. So this is Amazing Spider-Man number 74. Again, looks like a Delato cover. That is gorgeous. Similar to that Carnage one. This is a square bound, guys. And it is in nice shape. What do you think of that?
Wow.
Kind of like the minimalist kind of color thing
Yeah.
going on. Like, that's very gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Lovely. This feels like another thick one.
Oh.
Ooh. Amazing Spider-Man number 49. The variant edition. It's another square bound, guys.
It's really pretty.
Oh, yeah. Is that another? It might be another Delato, maybe. Looks very similar, but I could be wrong. Very nice. Next up, we have some Spider-Man action going on. I don't know which book this is. I feel like we've got more Virgin covers than we have regular covers. So this is Amazing Spider-Man number 2 variant edition. I think it's Unknown Comics, edition as well. So very cool. That is awesome. I love the kind of Spider-Man kind of theme going on. Yeah, we got a bit of a Spider-Man thing going on here, don't we?
Yeah.
All right. Next up, we have.
Oh, sick.
Oh yeah.
That is.
Okay. That might be one of my new favorites there. The Daredevil kind of negative space sort of cover. Dead White, Black, White, and Blood, number 1. Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
Okay, that might be one of my favorites so far.
That's cool.
That is sweet. That is sweet. Okay, last of the raw books, guys. Last raw book. What do we have?
Oh, wow.
Wow. Okay.
That's passion.
Yep. That's definitely passionate. Don't know what this is. fair. You hear a dog in the background. She's hot today. It's hot out. Hellions, number 3. That's what this is. Hellions, number 3. Whoa, that is an intense cover. It's another Anacleto cover. J. Anacleto. Wow. Okay. There you go, guys. Stack of raw books. So we have the slab. The slab is left. Okay. Close your eyes. We're not looking. It is wrapped in bubble wrap, which is always nice. We like to see that. Okay. So, getting it out. Okay. Okay. So, you show it. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, wait. Let me just take it out for you. Okay. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What do we got? Oh! That is awesome.
Amazing.
The Amazing Spider-Man number 93. This is the Kirkham variant cover. Amazing Spider-Man. Ben Reilly becomes Chasm. There you go.
Cool.
All right. Yeah, that's a pretty cool cover, I gotta say. Amazing Spider-Man number 93, Tyler Kirkham cover. Looks like after J. Scott Campbell. Okay, guys. Well, I mean, don't know what all those were worth. So I know some of them are usually pretty decent with the variant covers, but I mean, I think we did pretty well. It's been a long day, guys. But yeah, super happy. Especially with the no shipping for us, like that's
dynamite.
That's pretty good for us, like all that with no free shipping. So, what did you guys think? Let us know down below. All the links for Comic Traders will be down below as well. They have a few different types of mystery boxes. It's mostly like variants, that type of thing. But that's always nice to get those, try to mix things up a little bit. So, other than that, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Say hello to us over there. We appreciate it. Always hearing from you guys, and it's always fun engaging with you. Anything else that you can think of? No, I think that's it this time. So next time you see us, guys, we will be relaxing on vacation out on the East Coast. So we're excited for that. It'll be nice to get a little bit of a break, a little bit of a load off. So until that time, guys, stay safe, be kind to one another, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Bye.